Big lightning.
Woo!
I got that on video. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, at least we got this one back here building. Look at that coming over the top. Wow. Oh yeah. Check that out, that silver lining up there on the clouds.
Yeah.
That's what we need, is that... Come on, come on. Right. That's what I'm looking at over here in this area. I was just about to say that. That second one over here on the very back end has a little hook on it. And then look at those, there's the clouds right there. Could that be the lowering starting? Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Cool. It just updated a little bit more defined right now too. Oh, this is good. So we got a little bit, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show them real quick. So right in here, we've got a little bit of a hook on show them real quick, Alex, right there.
Right there with that yellow hook.
Got a little bit of a hook on here. And so we're gonna just keep on watching this thing, see if we can get a lowering over here.
Right
there. Yep, I'm gonna pause it real quick so that way you can see it. Let's actually zoom in. And that's what we're looking at right over there. Is this, that hook. I'm gonna keep it rotating. I'm gonna put y'all right back up here and let you see it. Hey, do you see?
It's not gonna make it. You're not exploding, you know?
Right. There's another cell that just popped up over there. That area that's coming up on radar as well. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And then you're gonna have 5 right here. See that little circular motion right there? Right in the middle. I could be just hoping too hard though. Okay, this one dropped back down to 35,000 feet, but you have this tower here on the left of it that's already up to 30,000 feet. This storm just went bigger. This storm just went larger. All right, the storm in Americus right here just went severe. This just went severe right here. So we're gonna watch this. A few minutes ago, that was throwing up a little hook echo on there. Try to. That hook intensified. There it is. It's starting to circle up right there. All right, so that cell over there went severe. This one dropped to severe, and it jumped up to 40,000 feet, and the hook on it has increased a little bit. Still not, it doesn't look like there's any or if not much rotation, but it could be at that back left-hand corner. Yeah, it really jumped up there over the last 3 minutes. Yes. Is it? And that's what they did last night a little, some. I'm seeing rotation on the base velocity now. Yeah, it's right south of Americus is where I'm seeing rotation. Yeah. Oh, man, come on. Reed, you got, it looks like inflow coming in right here. There's clouds coming this way towards it. What's going on? This is the man right here. We've been following him, learned everything we know about storm chasing came from him. Absolutely, thank you. Hey, that is true. when it comes to tornado chasing. Always. Yeah, there's inflow coming in right here. It looks like you got the that's already shooting north, but you got this coming in, feeding it.
Starting to get some breaks in the clouds too, though.
Yeah. Potty gizmo. Yeah, we just love watching. This is the only severe storm in this area, though. Within 250 miles. Yes, there are. I'm looking at some popping up right here in Cottonwood Falls. And then east of Lincolnville. That one's blowing up right there. What's that? Hey, Alex gonna enter first place. That's how those tornadoes spin up. Alex starts spinning his hair, and here they come. All right, so this one. That one just picked up a track too. And it's clear skies back over there.
One of the few hairstyles that actually makes sense.
Yeah, I love it.
This is blowing up over here too. People really, they went crazy when you had your mustache online. But that was something for everybody to talk about.
Yeah. I saved it expiring.
Oh, yeah.
I read the CDC issue that day. I said you got to shave all facial hair, and I was in a weak spot. Vulnerable position. I just shaved it.
Yeah.
Regretted it.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I took off up to Oklahoma for 2 weeks. I said, we're going up there and just isolate. Oh wow, look at that. And this one just picked up a track over here. So you got this one and this one that just picked up a track. lower than those. Man, that's really blowing out the top right there. But look, we got another one right here that's already on radar. And then one back towards, that one over there blew up as well. This one over Americus is starting to show another hook on the radar. It's like as soon as, wow, as soon as they're hitting Iowa, they're turning east. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that shot right there.
Oh, see that lightning?
I think I either got that on video or I didn't. I had it pointed right there.
See that little bit of lightning?
Did I get it in this shot?
I think so, yeah.
Reed's coming and getting some. That's gonna blow up right there.
That's one of those blow-ups, right?
Yes, look right here. Look right here. Starting to turn east. That's what he wants. We're getting this one back here too that's coming through. Look at how that thing's exploding. Look at that exploding up there. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that thing explode.
It's covering it up.
Dude.
It's covering it up. Oh.
Get a picture of that right there.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here.
Got stronger rotation on it. Right there, stronger rotation. All right, we got not strong rotation, but you're starting to get rotation on the storm. There's a lowering right there. We might need to hit 335. Alex, you see that right there? That low cloud? That's that. Hey, I got rotation in here. I've got a hook on the base velocity and the super res velocity as well. Yeah, it's about to go. Almost, yeah. This thing is spinning up there. What's up, gents? How are y'all? How are y'all doing? Y'all out here chasing the storm too? Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. This one's starting to rotate. I need to tell him. You from East Texas?
Yeah, he does some good Kilgore.
Okay, cool. I live in Longview, right next to Kilgore. I've seen it on radar. That one right there that you're looking at. That storm right there. It's up on 335. That right there. We're with Rescue the Universe. So that's what we do. We used to start out doing search and rescue with hurricanes, and now we do, storm chasing, severe storm chasing, things like that. So, yeah, we sure are. We're live right now. We're streaming, so we'd love to have you on the page. It is. That right there is possibly going to do something right there. Because Alex, it's twisting up right over. That's it right there. It's twisting up on radar. I'm super excited, dude. Oh man, I can't even hardly contain my excitement right now. Breaking up a little bit. No, that's the lower. All right, keep on watching, folks. You see that right over there? That's what we're watching. And we're also watching this back over here, too. You see, Alex, how it closed off, too, with the sun? Yeah. Didn't push it through. Wow, this one's exploding as well. Right over the top of his hood. You can literally watch that thing exploding. So, folks, we've got, I wish I could, I'm going to have to turn it sideways a little bit. You see, we got this and we got this up here that we're watching. That lowering, that right there. It's looking like it's turning into a wall cloud. Yes, it is. Come here. Look at this thing. Wow.
Kind of cool to see how it's like lower down. Yeah. I like this. I wonder how far out that is.
That's probably about 5 miles away. Yeah, it's right over 335. It's headed right towards Topeka, right on the road.
Always go straight up.
What are you thinking, Reed? You gonna chase that one?
I don't think so. I think it's gonna die. Maybe one of these next ones could do it.
Yeah, well, see, and what we've got, folks, is we've got this one back here that's developing, but you also have one straight west of us from here, and then you have other towers that are back here firing up as well. That's nice. We just watched that one develop coming all the way across. You can see it start from a little cloud coming across there and then fully develop.
Damn, it sure tried, didn't it?
It did.
Why is there? So if you notice, like it's got a straight line that goes down, and then it kind of veers out as
It's sucking that up into the updraft above it is like a vacuum cleaner, pulling all that stuff up.
Okay.
But it lost its severe storm warning though.
Yeah, it's shrinking. It tried to go through the motions. If it had a big updraft on it, then that would be something ridiculous.
Alex, get a picture of that. You got your phone? Yeah. Get a picture of that. That's a textbook. What it should have done, but it didn't go through it didn't follow through. That's why I was getting all giddy over there, because I was like, there it is, and then it didn't do it. Oh yeah, dude, that's textbook. They call it the beaver tail.
Surface-based storm.
Finally, and then I'm gonna look over here and see what it's doing. Let's go see what it's doing. It lost its severe warning on here. Lost its severe warning. Hey, you've got one ahead of that though that's going directly east almost. It's got a track on it. There's this one, Alex. This one may be the one right here. Come here, let's look at it one more time. Let's make a decision. That one's kind of pushing back this way a little bit. One up above it is looking pretty good, going to almost directly east, right over there. And then there's one, let me look at my computer. So this is what we're seeing. Got a little rotation right here. We're right here up to the northwest of us, a little bit of rotation. That's what we're looking at right there. Maybe making a run towards Topeka or even over here towards Scranton in a few minutes. still looks, it's not as big as it needs to be. It's just flip-flopping back and forth on what it wants to do. This one right here just formed up too. We got a. This is what we're watching. This is why now though, you can how to get the one. Oh, this one blowing up right here. Out in front of us to the left, that's going to show up on the radar in a minute. Those storms are starting to turn east now, and the ones to the west of us are coming at us east too. Towards Oklahoma? Yeah. It looks like this thing. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah, we were on the right storm. I saw that thing look like it was about to put one out over there. Oh yeah, exactly. We were just talking about that. We were like, man, what if we would have got it to Topeka and then, you know, looked back down and saw a severe storm? Man. Yeah. Right. Right. They keep on popping up, but it's like they'll pop up and then they're not doing it today. Right. Huh. These are getting better about target areas and like finding the right area and getting to it. We were just talking yesterday. We on the whole chase, we burned how much? Like a quarter to a half a tank. And usually Dixie Alley, we're burning a whole tank in the first half of the chase. It was completely.
It's not worth it.
When you break through it, it's just you only break through like once every 5 years. Yeah.
There's so many trees.
2011, we were seeing tornadoes left and right down there. 2013 here and there.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get off of here, and if something goes up, we'll go with it. All right.